Aloha and welcome to day 3 of Holiday Harmony, ND Executive Function Support. And this is really important during the holidays. For many of us AuDHD and neurodivergent adults, the holidays create a perfect storm for executive dysfunction, disrupted routines, extra tasks, social obligations that we really don't want to go to, sensory overload, and emotional stress. And all of this is happening at once. So today is about making the season more manageable by reducing demands, simplifying decisions, and saving your energy. Now, why does executive function drop during the holidays? Well, just like any other skill, like planning, initiating tasks, organizing, prioritizing, time management, and emotional regulation, it takes time. And during the holidays, these skills are under more pressure because, you know, routines are changing. Our expectations increase and everyone else's expectations increase. The sensory input is off the scale. Emotional energy is drained. And there are just so many more decisions to make that it just makes every day harder. So, a common trap during the holidays is trying to maintain normal productivity. And reality, the season isn't normal. The goal is not productivity, the goal is sustainability. Instead of asking, how do I do everything? Try asking yourself, what helps me get through this without burning out? So, sustainability matters more than output. And the fastest way to support executive function is to reduce the number of tasks you're carrying. You're not lowering your standards, you're protecting your capacity. And what this might look like is simplifying your meals, skipping non-essential traditions, buying gifts instead of making them, or send, gift cards. That works too. Choosing fewer events to attend and letting some things be good enough. So when tasks feel overwhelming, try breaking them into the smallest possible steps. I've covered this on several videos in the on the page. So, microtasking saves energy. It reduces paralysis. We've got analysis paralysis, movement paralysis, decision-making paralysis, and it makes initiating things easier. So, for example, instead of you got to get ready for the event, which is a big, broad goal, right? Try 1, lay out your clothes. 2, pack your sensory tools. 3, set a departure time. And you can add more on this, like set up a pickup ride, those type of things, which will really help you instead of just get ready for the event. Break it down into micro goals. So decision fatigue drains executive function quickly. Your batteries just go zoop from 100 to 0 in a matter of seconds. So you want to reduce your decisions where you can. Fewer decisions means more energy for what actually matters. And you want to support yourself by choosing outfits in advance. Lay them out the night before or a couple days before if you have to. Eating the same simple meals. This week, I'm going to say it's cup of noodles for me. So, that's just easier for me. And you can reuse the same routines you have for other things instead of having to make up new ones. And saying no to optional decisions. If they aren't mandatory, say no. In limiting last minute changes, you want to prepare yourself by supporting yourself by getting all of this in advance. And executive function doesn't recover automatically. It needs space. So recovery is a part of the plan. So after events or busy days, plan for recovery time. This might include rest, low stimulation activities, quiet time, or familiar comforts. Recovery is not a reward, it is a requirement. So, your personal executive function support plan might include 1 or 2 non negotiable rest periods, simplified routines, a short daily priority list, permission to leave tasks unfinished. That's right, you have permission to be your full ADHD self this time. Asking for help where possible. That's a thing. Don't forget to ask for help before you need it. And leaving early without guilt yet again. You're not meant to do this season alone or perfectly. Just do it. Get through it the best way you can, that's set for you. Now, today's action step is to complete your EF support worksheet, which you can download in the link in the description in the pinned comment below. And day 3, we will be talking about your sensory protection strategies. Those are practical ways to reduce overload during gatherings and holiday environments. And always keep in mind, you are allowed to make this season easier. You don't have to drive yourself insane this year. It's just not worth it. It's just one day. All of this working up for one day. Think about how important that one day is. And just learn to relax, or let yourself relax the best way for you. It doesn't have to be for anyone else. So I'll see you in, day 4 is the next day. Not day 3, but day 4. See, even I get confused on a little bit of this. So we'll see you in day 4, where we're focusing on sensory protection strategies. Aloha.